SR Painters and Designers. Penetrating damp. Penetrating damp is a form of dampness that occurs when water penetrates through the walls of a building, leading to the appearance of damp patches on interior walls. It is also known as lateral damp. Unlike rising damp, penetrating damp can happen at any level within the property, including lofts, ceilings, and walls. It is a very common problem in older properties that have solid walls. Signs of penetrating damp: damaged plaster, musty damp smell, black mold growth, damaged timber, damp patches on walls that do not dry out, damp patches getting bigger when it rains, leaky roof, causes of penetrating damp, defective or damaged masonry. This can occur due to cracks in the walls, damaged brickwork, or poorly maintained pointing and mortar joints, allowing water to enter the building. Faulty or inadequate roofing. Issues such as damaged or missing roof tiles, poorly maintained or blocked gutters, or inadequate flashing can allow rainwater to penetrate through the roof and into the walls. Poorly sealed windows and doors. If the seals around windows and doors are damaged or not adequately maintained, they can allow rainwater to enter the building, leading to penetrating damp. Cracked or damaged render. If the external render on the walls is cracked or damaged, water can penetrate through the render and reach the internal walls, causing dampness. Structural defects. Structural issues such as damaged or poorly maintained cavity walls, porous bricks, or ineffective damp-proof courses can allow water to penetrate through the walls and cause dampness. Blocked or damaged drainage systems. Blocked or damaged guttering and downpipes can lead to an accumulation of water near the walls, which can eventually penetrate through the walls and cause penetrating damp. External ground levels. If the external ground levels are higher than the damp-proof course, this can result in water being forced through the walls by hydrostatic pressure. Location and exposure to the elements. Buildings in exposed or particularly rainy areas may be more prone to penetrating damp if not adequately protected against the elements. If your property needs penetrating damp treatment, contact SR Painters and Designers on 0783 686735.